Yeah, hi guys, this is me Tanvi Meglani, and this video is again in collaboration with Foxy. I've shared about Foxy in my previous videos as well. So again, I'd like to share about it. So Foxy is a new platform which is for all the beauty influencers and artists, and it connects all of us to the top brands and savvy shoppers. So today that I'm gonna do in my video is I'm going to do some nail art with one of my favorite brands that I again have got in collaboration with Foxy, which is Color Bar. So let's not waste too much of time and let's do some nail juggling. So guys, some nail art looks very difficult, but they are so easy. So you can have a look here that I have done. So this is the most easiest way to do some nail art without having too much of stress of having machines. And yes, trust me, Color Bar is one of the best brands I've ever come across, and you're gonna find it on Foxy. Again, I'm telling you, if you are a beauty influencer, you should be there on the Foxy, and you'll be able to find it on iOS and on Android. So this is what I've done this time. I would really like if you could go and do some more. So thank you so much for watching my channel. I'm gonna see you soon.